Now that DJI has our attention about the lock, GoPro is also locked. If we shut down our cameras and let's say we want to go into the water now and we're ready to use our camera and we want to go into slow motion, we would turn our camera on. We would go into
photo, video,
slow motion and take our video. But you know the problem is we're not locked. So, for example, if I turn on the GoPro and I wanted to go into my settings, I can. It's locked. Oh yeah, I didn't show you me switching to the different modes. But it is locked. DJI. This seems to be halfway completed. The glass is half full or half empty. Which one is it? Oh, by the way, GoPro don't fade out.